Types of crabs, their names, descriptions, and photos. Kamchatka crab. Kamchatka crab, also called Japanese royal, is considered a real delicacy. Canned food based on it is highly valued in the market and popular all over the world. This representative is considered one of the most popular of the crustaceans. The shell diameter of the largest individuals can reach 23 centimeters. The paw span is 1.5 meter, and the weight is up to 7 kilograms. The cephalothorax of female and male Kamchatka crabs have a rectangular shape, and the shell and claws are granular. Coconut crab. Coconut crab. This is the largest representative of arthropods. In general, it is not considered a crab, it is a kind of hermit crab. This representative has a scary appearance. He can shock even a brave man who decided to explore the sea. If you have weak nerves, it is better that you do not see a coconut crab. Representative pincers can break even small bones. Such individuals live on the islands of the Indian Ocean. This is especially true for Christmas Island, where large concentrations of arthropods are observed. The body of the crab is divided into two parts. The first is the cephalothorax and 5 pairs of paws, and the second is the abdomen. Marble crab. The only one living in the Black Sea, found on rocks and coastal cliffs. Such an arthropod animal belongs to the family Grapsidae. The shell of the representative of the sea is shaped like a trapezoid. The size of the individual is small, from 4.5 to 6 centimeters. The surface of the shell is often filled with algae and sea acorns. Like most crabs, marbled arthropods have 5 pairs of legs. The front 2 have strong claws. The hair can be seen on the walking legs of the spider crab. The color of the carapace is blue with green or dark brown, with many light stripes. The crab lives in shallow water, near rocks. It can also be found in the sea at depths of up to 10 meters. A member of this crab family can live without water, so it can be found on the ground. Blue crab. This crab species is a member of the swimming crab family. Such animals have a huge industrial purpose. More than 28,000 tons of arthropods are caught each year. Even in the century before long, its meat had become a delicacy. Precisely for this reason, the population of the blue crab is rapidly declining. Animals prefer areas where there is silt or sand underneath. During the winter, blue crabs deepen underwater. Adults can tolerate a temperature drop of up to 10 degrees, while children from 15 to 30. Gray, green, blue, dark brown. There are sharp spines around the edge of the shell, and the abdomen and legs are white. Males can be identified by blue nails and females by tiny red ones. Marine arthropods have 5 pairs of paws. Herbal crab. The grass crab is a small, but very agile crustacean, the speed of movement of which in some cases can reach 1 meter per second. A unique feature of the grass crab is the shell, which has a flat hexagonal shape. These arthropods have average-sized claws. The color of the upper part of its shell is green. The lower part may be white or yellow. Representatives of this crustacean species can move only sideways, not forward or backward. Herbal crab deserves to hold the title, well in the underwater world. These small animals prevent pollution on the seashore by eating carrion and all kinds of organic debris in the sea. Crab in the sand. This type of crab lives only on sandy bottom. Crab in the sand is a good swimmer, hence it has a second name for a water beetle and knows how to quickly sink into the sand. The thick hind legs help the animal with this. Swimmers are comfortable in cool, clear water. Under such conditions, the crab can land in shallow water. The largest specimen found in the territory of the Russian Federation lives in the Black Sea. Its length is about 32 millimeters, and its width is about 40 millimeters. Swimming crab, it is considered the largest of the inhabitants of the Adriatic Sea. But due to the other abundance of other representatives of swimming crabs, the sandy is relatively rare. Hairy crab. Because of the habit of climbing the farthest parts of underwater caves and quietly sleeping in them, covered with sponges, the hairy crabs received a second, less official name, the sleeping one's crab. This species of arthropod is one of the smallest crustaceans. Dimensions of hairy crabs do not exceed 25, and representatives of these crustaceans live on the coastal strip. Sleeping crabs are representative of the order of decapod crustaceans found largely in the Mediterranean and North Seas. Being in the cool waves of the Northeast Atlantic Ocean, hairy crabs do not limit themselves to a specific place of residence. They are comfortably located both at a depth of 8 meters, as well as falling 100 meters below. Faint crab. This type of crab lives in most cases in the Pacific Ocean in its northeastern part. Such an animal feels dependent on water with low salt content. It can even be found in freshwater waters. Often, fishermen take a small crab out of the water along with the salmon. See this type of arthropod off the coast of Kamchatka, the Kurils, and Sakhalin. This animal prefers to live in soil with a high content of rocks and shallow water, where the depth does not exceed 25 meters. It should be noted that sometimes this crab is caught from a depth of 350 meters. Spiny crab often leads a sedentary lifestyle. He optimally tolerates seasonal changes in temperature regimens. The shell of the animal has a large number of spines, and its diameter may be approximately 15 centimeters. The main food is the small mollusks. What kind of crabs can you find in the aquarium? Crabs have long been popular pets among those who want to keep an aquarium in their home. Today, such representatives of arthropods can be found in most pet stores, as they are unpretentious and take root well at home. Dutch crab. The best choice for beginners, because the pet is unpretentious in terms of maintenance conditions. The animal does not need dry soil. It is best to keep it at a temperature of 24–25 degrees. Leopard crab. It got this name because of its bright and attractive color. The leopard crab would be a great neighbor for aquarium fish, but keeping it with frogs is not recommended. This individual also does not require a mandatory imitation of sushi. Great to keep leopard crabs between 22 and 28 degrees. Don't forget to subscribe. Click notification bell. Thanks for watching.
Tips TV channel.